Once you have gone through the developer documents, it's time to get started with setting up your KaiOS developer environment. In terms of requirement, you'll need a laptop with internet connectivity. We will use Windows System for our demo. A KaiOS device with developer mode. In case you don't have a device with developer mode, there is a workaround to be able to test it on an actual device. Open the KaiOS developer portal, as you'll need to install Firefox Web IDE and ADB. Go to OS Environment Setup. This page shows environment setup methods for different operating systems. For the Windows setup, we need to install Firefox version 59 or any older version of Firefox. Firefox Web IDE is a necessary development tool to inspect your app as well as to see the console, debugger and other tools. If your Windows is 64-bit, please install Win64. In case it's 32-bit, install Win32 setup. A key point to note is after installation, you will need to disable automatic updates. If the Firefox gets updated above 59, you will not be able to connect the device. Open Firefox menu option and that's where you'll be able to disable the Firefox update. This completes the setup of the Web IDE. Next step would be to install ADB. Visit the Google page to download the ADB setup for your Windows. Unzip the folder on the C drive. Now connect your device with the laptop using a USB cable. Open the Settings app in your KaiOS device. Go to Device, Developer Debug, and select ADB and DevTools. Open Command Prompt or PowerShell in your laptop. Run the platform tools and check for ADB devices. You should be able to see the device detected by your command prompt. Run ADB root and ADB forward TCP 6000. This command is used to establish a path between the device and the laptop. You can copy the command directly from testing your app section on developer portal. Open Firefox Web IDE. Click Remote Runtime on the right hand side. Click OK. You're able to install an app on the device. If you have packaged app stored in your laptop, click Open Packaged App and go to the project folder. Your project folder root must have a manifest.web app, otherwise the Web IDE won't be able to detect your app. Once the app is detected, you can run and you'll be able to see the app installed on your KaiOS device. In case you don't have a debug device, you can test your application on any browser, as long as the browser supports responsive design. For example, in Chrome, you can right-click, go to WinSpect, click on the toggle device toolbar. You should be able to see the responsive mode and adjust the width and height of the viewpoint. KaiOS device has a screen size of 240 x 320. Once you have tested the application on the browser, you can package it and submit it on the KaiOS submission portal. You can check our tutorial on how to submit the app for KaiStore and see how the feature can be used.